In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 262 in Roblox. So the first solution is clean Roblox cache files. To do that, open up your browsers and then click on the three dots on the upper right, select Settings, and click on Security and Privacy. In here, click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Scroll down and click on See All Sites Data and Permissions. In here, type in Roblox in the search box. And then as you can see here, the Roblox, you can now clear the cache and files by deleting it. Just click on Clear. So once you're done cleaning your Roblox cache files, what you can do next is open up your search bar at the bottom and then type in run. Hit the enter button and then in here just type in %local app data % and hit enter again. And then a new window will pop up. In here, press the T key and locate the temp folder. Open up the temp folder and press the R key options that delete the Roblox folder. There's no need to worry because deleting this file won't harm our game or account. Now we will change Roblox compatibility settings, so just right-click on Roblox, click on Properties and Compatibility. So run this program as an administration. We are doing this because sometimes we may encounter such problems when we don't run program as an admin. So now to apply the changes we've made, we need to restart our computer and then after that we can check if the problem is solved or not. Now the second solution is to uninstall and install Roblox. On your search bar, type in Control Panel, click Programs, click on Uninstall a Program, and then find Roblox in here. So once you're done, just click on Roblox and then right click and click on Uninstall. Now to install Roblox again, open your Roblox on web browsers and then open any game and then click on Play and then click on Install Roblox. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.